I'm about to build an entire flight simulator that is so realistic that an actual pilot could use it for training.
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
We're talking one of the widest monitors in the world, top tier flight controls, and this powerful gaming PC to run it all. But here's the catch. I'm not building this setup for myself. I'm building it for my best friend who's currently in pilot training. Go give me a mustache. And by the end of this video, if he can pull off a successful takeoff and landing, he gets to keep the entire setup. How many times have you actually flown a plane?
Let's see. 0 times.
Do you feel confident?
I feel very unconfident.
First thing we obviously need for this setup is actually a desk. So here's a desk.
Does bro ever do anything new?
And yes, I'm using the same desk that I've used for the last 3 setups. Sue me. I feel like having a stand-up desk is going to be extremely pointless for this setup, but we're going to be using it anyway. First thing we need for this setup is actually a very ultra-wide monitor. And to be specific, a super ultra-wide curved gaming monitor, 49 inches. Also, check out this 3D printed, what is this? A knife. It's always really sketchy trying to opening monitors this big because I don't want to break it. It's not working. Why is this not working?
I could call your mom.
It's red at the top. So this monitor is actually 49 inches, 144 hertz, and it actually came refurbished from Amazon. It cost around $400, which is kind of cheap for ultra wides, but it looks really, really good. And what I really like about it, that all the controls are at the front, so all the buttons are right here, instead of you having to reach, you know, find the nipple in the back to change the settings. But anyway, I feel like this 49 inch is gonna do just fine because it's massive. This thing is huge.
Always wanted to fly a plane so high, high, high in the sky.
Okay, our next item is this crazy powerful gaming PC, and yes, you're looking at it and you're saying it's very small, it can't be that powerful, but I gotta tell you, this thing is crazy OP. For starters, it has an AMD 9800X 3D CPU in it. Are you okay?
I just don't want it to break.
Do you want this setup or no? And it has an RTX 5080 in it, and get this, 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, which is the most expensive part of this PC probably. Thanks, AI. So this PC will handle flight simulator games with complete ease. Now that we have the PC and the monitor ready to go and everything looks like it should work, we need a chair so you can actually sit and fly, right?
Yes.
Do you actually want to sit? You want to stand flying?
It's good for the lumbar to stand.
For that, we're actually going to be using the Secret Lab chair. This is my old chair from my setup. This chair I've been using for 5 years. I gotta tell you, man, it looks like it's day one, and I'm gonna not sit in it. I'm gonna let the guy that's gonna be flying sit in it to tell me if it's comfortable or not. 1 out of 10.
Very good.
What's your preferred seating position for flying?
I love a Honda Civic.
Your point of view really good. Can you see really well?
I can see a lot up here.
This chair is gonna be the best for flying because it's big, and I know you have a big bottom.
Well, it's funny because when you're flying, you're usually in a really small chair. This is an upgrade.
Oh.
This is way nicer than a real plane.
Now for our actual flying gear.
MOZA sent us a bunch of their flight gear that we're gonna check out.
See, he should be doing my job. Let's set it up. First thing we need is actually the base, and this base from MOZA has 9 Newton-meter force and 210 pitching force. I don't know what that is. What does pitch mean?
Pitch is when you're...
Are they in your brain right now when you're filming? This thing is the heaviest box that I have ever... That's not true, that's lies. I've opened bigger boxes. Bunch of stickers. This is how big the power brick is. 216 watts just to power the base. Your electricity bill is about to go through the roof, bro. How do you get this thing out of here? First thing we need is to set this thing up on the table. Look at that, perfect positioning. Next, we actually have the Yoke base clamp, and these clamps are gonna hold the base to the table. That way, the force feedback doesn't move this thing while you're trying to fly, and that's not going anywhere. Literally, the whole desk is shaking, but not the actual thing. So now that we have the base, we need the actual yoke to go on the base itself. So this is the yoke that they offer to go with this base. Ooh, check her out. Oh my. MOZA never hits, dude.
What? You mean they never miss? Try that again.
There's a before takeoff and after takeoff list of things you can do. I don't know what any of that means, but you should be because you're a pilot, right?
You don't have to do them, they're optional.
Sure. Aux in. Now we turn it on. Now that we have the base and the yoke set up, the next item is the MTQ throttle panel for controlling the throttle, RPMs, and whatnot. So we're gonna add that next. This thing feels, oh my quality. That's sick. Wait, that's a car. This thing is nice. I don't know what anything does, but I like the way it feels. And the last item from MOZA is the MRP rubber pedals, which are supposed to do things for your plane in the back. Right?
Yeah, that's pretty close.
Successful. Good thing I'm not the one who's trying to become a pilot, right? Oh no. Oh no. Do you actually need these to fly?
Oh, that is awesome.
After 15 minutes of putting this thing together, we finally put it together.
Look, this is how you do it, dude. After 15 minutes of putting this together, it feels absolutely amazing. Feels like you could fly over the clouds.
And finally, to complete the setup, we're gonna be adding the Razer Black Shark V2 headset. This headset literally looks like a pilot headset if you look at it like this. The design of the headset itself is inspired by aviation, so I figured it's perfect fit for this setup. And now, let's fly.
Now, the total price for this flight simulator came out to $6,268. Dang, that's a lot. And while I would rather keep it myself, it's time for the moment of truth. If my best friend can pull off a successful takeoff and landing, this $6,000 setup is all his to keep.
We're pulling up.
Wait, is it working?
We literally have no control.
What's happening?
We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash.
What do you mean? What do you mean we're gonna crash?
We have no control.
What do you mean we're gonna crash?
We have no control. We're gonna crash the mountains. We have no control. It's okay. I think we can recover from this.
How you feeling?
I think I have a TBI.
Now, it turns out our flight controls were not calibrated at all. So after a day of making sure everything was connected, I decided to give my best friend another shot.
Okay, it is literally 3 days later, right? Finally, we were able to figure out the controls to control any of these planes. It took me literally probably 6 hours of configuration, pain in the whatever it is called. But we're ready to do the first flight, right?
Oh yeah.
Your dream plane, give us the name.
It's the Diamond 62.
Diamond 62. Price?
$1 million new.
Easy. A couple Bitcoins. I think everything's ready to go. He's about to take his first flight.
Lock in.
Lock in. So, turn up the volume so we can hear the plane crashing.
The pre-flight checklist I've heard is just a suggestion. You don't even have to do it. So we're gonna skip that. We're just gonna take the parking brake off and go for it.
I like it.
We got control. I'll pretend that I know what I'm doing right here. All I know is you take off somewhere around 80 knots.
That's all you know?
So we'll
you
try
don't
that.
even know what the speed recommended to take off for this thing?
No.
Okay, let's
We're pulling back. Oh, we're taking off? Oh, shoot.
Wait,
When you take off.
you're in the air. You're in the air.
Yeah.
So far,
Okay, I
Check.
took off.
check on the successful takeoff. Now, bro. Hey. $5 if you do a spin.
I think I need some elevation to do a spin.
No.
Do you want $5 or no?
All right, ready? Here we go. Oh, shoot, altitude. Oh.
How do you feel about winning $5?
I'm a rich man.
That's all you have to say. You're 7 miles from the landing strip.
Say that.
We're getting close to the landing spot. You got to go through these to land. A landing gear, is it out?
Shoot, nope.
Do I need to help you with
Oh, landing gear's down. We gotta slow down even more. We're at 120.
120,
So we're
yeah.
totally fine.
If you do it the
Oh,
first
shoot.
try, you truly do deserve the setup, I'd say.
85. Okay, we're good. 85.
You're at
I'm
78.
dropping too quick.
That's all right. That's all right. That's how they do it. Don't freak out.
No, I'm really flying low.
I didn't even know that
Oh
was a
shoot,
thing.
we're not maintaining altitude. We're gonna crash. We gotta pull up. Okay.
You're good. You're good. Go back down.
Okay. Hold on.
Bro, why are you going sideways? Bro,
Ah!
bro where you landing? What is this?
Hold on.
Pulling up and down. Bro. Everybody's pretty much scared out of their
Where
mind.
we freaking landed though.
Yeah, you're the brake. It was a little sketchy, but you kind of made it.
Time to fuel up.
I think that was successful. I'm very impressed because when I was trying to do it a couple days ago, it took me a few tries.
That was so lucky, honestly.
I think you can be a pilot now.
United, will you hire me?
Review, MOZA gear, setup. How do we feel?
I feel like it was made for a guy like me. Almost smart enough to know how to do these things. The controls are super nice. Putting this little friggin' Airbus control on here, even though we're not flying an Airbus, they just move super nice and you can make these flip-flop, and that's pretty nice. I can't believe I landed that. That was so bad.
Anyway, congrats on the new setup.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, his channel is down below, by the way. Go check it out.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe, drop a like, and comment what setup should I build next. Maybe I'll give it away too.
Recover. Landing gear. Get the landing gear.
Recover from what?